I got my boy Rashard driving the 540, and my boy Vishal's back there. He didn't even check. He doesn't even know who's in the 540. He's pretty sure it's me. He's like, he just said hold on a minute. He's just loading up his Lexus, and then he's gonna just get in the car. Let's see what happens.
Fuck, Vishal takes forever, bro.
So he has no idea. He has no idea. He has no idea. So I just told him, I'm in the group chat like, just race a C63, and he's like, bro, I can't, sounds nasty. So I forgot to get it on video, guys, sorry, but I just did like a little tiny pull with the Beamer just for fun. It wasn't really a pull, it was just like a little kind of hit. And so he thinks I'm driving the Beamer, and I'm in this thing with the windows tinted as dark as hell. He has no idea. I'm thinking about wondering where I should reveal. I'll reveal it right when we pull up to meet my other buddy. Awesome.
He's trying to talk to me, but I'm not.
Don't ignore it. Just lean back for a second. Pretend you're on the phone. Pretend you're on the phone. This is fucking hilarious. I'm dead. I'm literally like, this is the best thing I ever did. Not just buy the car, but surprise the boys with it. It's literally hilarious. Like, they have no idea I'm here. I'm coming. They have no idea I'm coming, and then just like, absolutely everyone loves this car. Like, nobody hates on a C63. You have to be some kind of special nutcase to hate on a C63, you know what I mean? Oh, yo, we gotta do the window, hold on. One thing I gotta say with this AMG shit, it's like, oh fuck, he's gonna see me. Yeah, so I'm trying to hide from him, but until we get to the destination, right?
God. You guys hear that? The speakers, did you hear it? Kind of. That thing was bad.
Oh my god, that's the nastiest thing I've ever fucking heard in my life, bro. Oh my god.
That has to be like, that's modified though. I don't think that's stock, huh?
Yeah, it looks like it has something done to it, bro. That's not a stock exhaust for sure.
Oh, I just heard that.
That was me. What? What's that?
I said, as much as I love like the 5.0s and all that, bro, I've always liked the C63. Like, hold on, Martin. Let me see if you can hear. Let me roll out my window a little bit. I heard it. Oh my Lord! Yep. That's hard to deny, bro. That's hard to deny. Fuck. What the fuck is going on? What the fuck? Yo, what the fuck? Yeah, keep up. That sounds like the lights coming to me. Oh, did you just buy that car? Did you? Oh my Lord. Wow.
Yo, park up somewhere proper.
You pulled up beside me, I'm like this. Yo, I pulled up beside you, and I'm like, why is
I'm on the phone with him. I'm like, yo, he's gonna be opening his window. Like, why aren't we busting nuts over here and shit? I'm like, he's gonna think it's weird as fuck. Mine? Or yours?
Yeah, I know. It looks good on you, man. It looks great on you, brother. I can't wait for the day, man. I can't wait for the day, bro. What is this?
still hasn't noticed?
He still noticed.
Oh, so is this your dream car right here, or is this a black edition?
One of.
The black series is your dream car.
One of. Huh?
The black series version.
Wait, you got this today?
Yesterday night. I rented. Hold on. Man thought I rented it.
You were hiding this? You were hiding this? What the fuck? Did you not say anything?
Bro, I had to surprise man's, bro. It's not
Oh
that.
my goodness.
You
You nodded?
Man's like, make sure it's not a C300, you know?
So what kind of conversation we having this morning? This guy comes in, we're talking about fucking.
This guy could
Yo,
have saved this
you
a
fucking-
good half an hour. Yo,
Oh, I didn't know, but yeah.
you literally said
coach.
Yo, an hour. I'm sitting there like having a serious discussion.
We're going to your house.
Yeah.
I see Natish's Beamer and
Yeah.
this thing following us. I'm like, what the fuck is going on? Right?
I thought it was
Yo, dash the beamer. Yo, dash the beamer, right? We're dashing the
Rashard
beamer?
bought the Beamer.
No way.
Yeah, that's how I bought this.
For how much did you buy the beamer for?
4K?
So what? You got your money.
Wait, doesn't he have an M4?
Yeah, he does. That's gonna be his like daily beater kind of thing.
God bless.
Yo, I swear, a tapioca is in the middle of my mouth, suspended in midair from the pressure and gravity that was in the car at the exact moment you sent it.
And also, you never need to floor it. I'm only really giving it like half throttle. That's all you really need to. Like the torque is there. You don't need to ever like sit there with the foot to the floor. Like it's not necessary.
Jesus.
No way. It sounds like that when you stop.
Yeah.
It sounds exactly like a G.
I mean, like, but way deeper.
Yeah.
I said AMG sounds exactly like this.
Yeah, you're fried, bro.
What?
Yo, we need to teach this man.
No. Stop this.
That's only like a quarter throttle or half.
That's not even.
Quarter and a half.
Yeah.
No, you are. No.
That's just smooth.
Bro. You're just touching it with your toe?
Something like that, yeah. But yo, keep that in mind. Like, don't think of that as like, oh, but it has so much more to it, right? Like, flooring it's not gonna do much more. You understand? Like, I'm just telling you that I'm only giving it that much throttle, but that's all it needs, and that's all it really.
It's efficient.
Yeah.
You only have to put a toe. You're not putting your
Yeah,
whole foot
no.
down to get that kind of sound.
Yeah. My favorite is
You're
this.
like, what?
So you put it in Sport Plus, right?
Yeah.
You go up to like 60 or so. So you're cruising right here about 60, right? And then in that flat section up ahead, I'm just gonna floor it. Okay, the car's gonna down change and hit on its own.
God. Yo, mine, I'm sorry, bro.
Keep in mind, this is bone stock.
Yeah.
What happens when
It's
you do
good.
a couple of bolt-ons and a tune to it, right?
Yo, so-
This tranny is kind of lazy,
Yo.
like it doesn't know how to fucking work.
Yo, I'm looking at you with the white
Sell
Spanish.
the
I'm
G.
telling you to sell the G.
For what though?
I don't do like for this, bro.
Bro, this reminds
I
me.
can have both.
Oh
like,
my
why am I gonna sell
god.
it?
Oh Lord.
What's the point of having both?
Because like, I mean, why not?
What's the gas mileage?
Terrible.
Go up on that road.
Yeah, the back road, yeah. Gas mileage, you wanna know? There's lap time. I can do lap time on this.
I'm a normie. Just tell me how much you put in per week.
What for what? Oh,
For
gas?
a week of
Yo,
drive.
so a tank is like 65 bucks or something. It's not bad. It's a small
That's
tank.
worth it.
Small tank. And look, right now I'm ripping it like crazy. Like I'm ripping it a bit. It's 16.5 liters per 100. On the highway, on the way from London, it did like 12.3.
Gucci.
7th gear, just cruising most of the way. Four people in the car. It looks like it's taking more effort to slide it.
Remember your seats.
Huh?
Remember your seats, right? Like.
Pussies hold your fucking drink. If you hold down the left pedal, max.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I tried that yesterday actually. Like,
Yeah, you just hold it down, it will do it as soon as it can.
oh,
It's like the old works. Well, not the old works, but like
Wait, you're
the
not
old
pedal shifting?
yeah, that's what I'm doing.
This is what's it?
No, it's just it's not Tiptronic. It's not that. It's a MCT, multi-clutch transmission, some shit. I'll try that more and let's see.
Bro, this road's blessed for blasting it. What the
bro.
fuck?
Yeah,
Yeah,
man.
but cops come sometimes.
Yeah, they know, right? But what the fuck are you gonna do here?
You know there's no cops.
Yeah. Works.
Does it do first? Did it do first? Hey, so the way I was using it yesterday was, let's say you're going 100 on the highway, right?
Yeah.
You want to blast and you're in manual mode. You just hold the left paddle. It goes right down to third and then lets you hit.
Yeah.
So my boys have absolutely no idea about this. Just gonna pull up to them right now and surprise them. See if they recognize me or notice me. The windows are tinted, so.
That's C63. I really thought it just started. I was about to be so amped right now.
Just give them a little taste. Let's see. I know Daniel's had picked up right away.
That's not the Tish. Is it?
Yo, fam, did this is by fucking C63? I swear to God, there's no fucking way. There's no way. Oh, no way. No. There's no way. There's no fucking. There's no way. There's no way. Is that Nitish? Who is that?
I don't know.
Is that Nitish? Yo, what if it's...
Yo, what if it's a random man, dog? I don't give a shit.
Yo, cool car, man.
Yo!
Who's that? Who's that guy? Buy a C63? You're lying.
Swear to God.
You're fucking lying.
Bro. Yo. Where's the light of this bitch, dog?
Yo. Fam.
Oh my God.
Who's that? We're like, yo, who's this pussy pulling up on the block? What? There's no way. You're not talking shit.
Swear to God. I don't know how to talk shit, dog. Yo.
You are a gangster. Wow. I'm like, bro, you ripped it? I'm like, Nitish bought a C63.
No.
I'm like, yo, Nitish bought a fucking C63. He's like, nah, that's not Nitish, he left. And when you heard you
That's
turn
why-
around,
that's
I'm
why-
like, yo, this guy bought a C63. My son's like, no.
That's why I went that way. I'm like, they're gonna think it's not me.
No way.
Yo, it's so loud outside, but inside it's so quiet. Like, it's almost too quiet on the inside somehow.
Yo, I don't even know what to say.
Yo, I don't know what to say, bro.
Holy fuck.
I just said, fuck it, yo. Let's just do something crazy.
Private?
This car is every light.